So, what needs to change in order for your life to get better? Nothing changes until you change. And so, one of the things I had to recognize was that everything I desire is accessible to me once I recognize that I have to change first. Once I recognize that I have to get honest with myself first. So many people talk about what they want. They talk about, oh, I want better health. I want better relationships. I want to make more money. I want to get a promotion. I want to start a business. I want to write a book, go back to school. Like whatever that is for you, you've got to recognize that it all starts with you. Like none of that happens without you intentionally getting better. And I can recall always blaming other people or thinking, well, I would be further if this person could help me. And the truth is, the people I expected to help me were positioned to help me. They were positioned to help me. And they decided that they would not help me. And I let that keep me stuck because I was upset and I was disappointed. And then I had to come to my senses and say, listen, it's your life. These are your goals. And so it's going to be up to you to make things happen for you. And what typically happens is once you get in action and once you get disciplined enough to start seeing results, people are going to want to help you. But they need to see that you got some skin in the game. They need to see like you're serious about this thing. And so if you're not getting the results you want, if your life doesn't look the way you expected it to look at this point, I want you to just take a moment and stop and say, okay, what am I doing or not doing that's keeping me where I am, right? You want to look at your level of discipline. You want to look at like your energy. Am I actually getting up and doing the things that I know I need to do? Or am I like so stressed, anxious, worried, and overwhelmed that I'm thinking about the things I need to do, but I'm not actually doing them? Like you can't just be like, oh, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. And then you think by just saying you want it, I do affirmations all the time. So let me be clear. I love affirmations, but the affirmations don't work until you work. Right? I love doing vision boards every year, but the vision board doesn't work until I work. I can look at the pictures. I can dream. I can visualize. I can pray. I can do all of these things. These are great. These are great tools, but without execution, it's just all a dream. It's just a wish, like without actually doing the things you need to do, without actually calling yourself out. Like I had to learn this the hard way. Nothing shifted until I got honest about what I was doing and what I was not doing. And it was like, okay, well, where do you want to be? And then I would ask myself, what am I avoiding? Where am I choosing comfort instead of actually doing the thing I want to do, I need to do, right? Where am I allowing my doubts and my fear to stop me from pursuing what I really want?